Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M32. The phone has display of 16.21 centimeters, 6.4 inch. The phone also has Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display and FHD Plus resolution. 800 nits high brightness mode and Gorilla Glass 5. It has versatile 64MP plus 8MP plus 2MP plus 2MP quad camera setup 64MP, f1.8 and main camera plus 8MP, f2.2. It has ultra-wide camera, f2.4, depth camera plus 2MP, 2.4, and macro camera, f2.2. It comes with 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery. It has 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory SIM1 plus SIM2 plus micro SD. Expandable memory up to 1TB and it runs on Android v11.0 and OneU i3.1 operating system. It is powered by 90Hz refresh rate and Helio G80 octa-core processor 2 GHz. It also features Samsung Pay Mini, Knox 3.7 with secure folder and OBS Live, quick switch and content suggestions. The delivery box contains handset, 15 watts fast charging adapter and SIM tray ejector, USB cable and user manual. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.